How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about the Fisch Moto Spark Arrestor insert for your bikes. Stick around. Do you happen to notice how much red I have in the room? I've got the red Honda, I got the red gas. I've even got the red Craftsman chair down here. I'm just seeing red everywhere. A Cherubies, I got the Tusk discard, everything's red. So here's the deal. You gotta have, in order to be legal in the forest or on public land here in the United States, you're supposed to have a spark arrestor. The spark arrestors for these big 4-strokes, they're really, really expensive. A lot of times I'll change the entire tailpipe on the 2-strokes. But on the 4-strokes, it's several $100 to change these things out to make them spark arrested. But here is something that I've done in the past. I've used several different types of screens, but this is a much more economical way to do it. And since I'm gonna have this bike and a 250 version of this, I'm just kind of looking to do this on the down low. So enter the Fisch Moto Spark Arrestor here. These things, I love the fact that this is manufactured in Canada. I do that for my Canuck friends. It's manufactured in Canada, and they're using 304 stainless steel. They say on the box it installs in 15 minutes or less. It is a lot less. It installs in like 5 minutes. You just put it in. The way you need to order the right one. You basically need a circular tailpipe back here, and you need to order the right size. So I got mine on Rocky Mountain ATV, and they're really good on their parts, on their machine selectable thing. So I didn't even have to measure this thing for the Honda CRF 450RX because they had done that for me. So on there, it came, this one needed to be the Kit 25. This is a 22 Honda CRF 450RX, so it was the Kit 25. Rocky Mountain ATV did that for me. If you want to support this video or any of the stuff we're doing, use the links down in the video description for Rocky Mountain ATV. I get a kickback for sending you there. And Rocky Mountain ATV does a really, really good job of stocking these things, having competitive prices, and telling you what will fit and what won't fit. And on the off chance that something does happen with your order that's weird, they'll make it right. So anyway, but this is a nice thing, a nice way, easy way, economical way for you to be Forest Service approved or public land approved out there on the trails. And it's easy to take out and clean. On a 4-stroke, you don't have to clean this nearly as often. I mean, I think you can go a long time. We're talking 50 hours. I don't even know, maybe 100 hours. I've never plugged one of these on a 4-stroke. On a 2-stroke, depending on what your jetting is, you know, and how much oil you're running, you might need to clean this out every 10 to 15, 20, 30 hours. You just want to keep an eye on it. You'll know because your bike will start to run like garbage if your screen gets completely filled full of goo. And then you would just take the 3 set screws out, pull this thing out, clean it off with brake cleaner or gas or something like that, and then stick it back in. So it's really quite easy to maintain these things. It's just another thing that you need to kind of do. If you're gonna do any desert racing, you need to have something like this. You need to be spark arrested. I don't do racing, but that's something that you have to have. So if you're gonna be racing, desert racing, USRA, any of these types of things, you're gonna need to be spark arrested, and this is a really great option. With this kit, they give you the blue Loctite that you need. They give you a couple extra set screws. They even give you the 2mm Allen key. It's a little bit flimsy for me, so I just torqued at the end. I torqued with my T-handle, my 2mm T-handle. I mean, it's enough. Like the key, at least they give you something. I get it. It was just a little flimsy, so I just wanted to torque it with my my Allen key at the end. But I'm happy with the fit. I'm happy with the finish. I'm glad it's not costing me $400. I have spent in the past on some of these 4-strokes, I've spent $600 on my tailpipe to get it spark arrested. This was, what was this? This is, I paid, what is it? $82.88. You love how how I'm doing this just on the gun. $82.88, so $83. That's way cheaper than all the other options. It's a quality piece. It's made in Canada. I love my Canadian brothers. Did you guys know that I lived in Ontario for 2 years back when I was 19, 20, 21? I have never noticed a reduction in like performance when I've installed these things in the past. I mean, maybe if you were on a dyno, you might see a slight little thing because of the extra restriction, but honestly, this is a 450. It's got way more power than you'd ever need. Same thing with the 250F. I mean, almost never are we running more than half throttle anyway. Most of my riding is, I would say, 40% throttle and under. I'd say 80% of it is 40% and under. What I'm saying is I don't think you'd ever notice. You might notice, you might be able to see it on a dyno, but there's a big difference between the dyno numbers and what we experience out on the trail as, you know, mere mortals. So yeah, this bike is now Forest Service approved, and hopefully I will get the 250 version of this bike. I'm going to order this exact same thing. Well, I'm not sure if it's the same kit, but I'll be ordering the same thing because I want to set up both Hondas essentially the exact same way. I might have different color skid plates or something, but we're going to set them up the same way. So yeah, Fisch Moto, check them out. I've heard nothing but good things about these guys. And this is my first time using this particular screen, but I'm pretty confident this is going to be a good screen with what I've seen, the build quality and everything. It looks to be really nice. And I love the fact that they say right on it that it's US Forest Service approved. That way, if you ever got checked, which I haven't, but if you ever got checked, you'd be like, hey man, check it out. It's Forest Service approved. Let me go. So, okay, that's what I've got for everybody today. Please, please, please have an awesome week. Please use the links for Rocky Mountain ATV down in the video description because Rocky Mountain ATV is awesome. Free shipping over $75, I believe it is. 2-day shipping, and it's really quick. They ship really fast. They have 2 different distribution centers in the United States, one in the West, one in the East. I think it's Kentucky is the other. There's a distribution center here in Utah, and then I think the other one is in Kentucky. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's Kentucky. Anyway, so thanks so much, and until next time, leave a single track.